Hi, I'm Andrew Denny with Textures Flooring in Nashville, Tennessee. Joining me today is Michael Machin with Machin's Floor Covering Specialist. Today we're going to show you how to repair a puncture in your vinyl flooring. So the first thing you want to do is find a piece of scrap vinyl that will match the pattern to replace where the puncture has occurred. Next, what you'll do is you'll tape the pattern about an inch off of where you will make the replacement cut so that there's no flexing in the vinyl. This will ensure for a good clean cut. Next, what you'll do is you'll set the pattern overlapping the top and match the pattern exactly, because what you're going to do is a double cut. You can remove the tape to make sure the pattern is correctly aligned. Now you'll retape to ensure that the overlapping piece stays in place. Continue taping to make sure that the overlapping piece of vinyl is held securely in place. Now what you'll need is a straight edge to help guide your cutting and a sharp blade. Use your straight edge to line up the pattern and to guide your cuts. We'll be making the cut on the grout line, cutting through both pieces. Now remove the cut. Trim to make sure there's no tears. And set this in to make sure it fits. Now you can remove the tape. The material is a good fit. So now what you want to do is apply some adhesive. Use a vinyl flooring adhesive. If the subfloor has been damaged, then you want to fill it until it's smooth. Make sure you use the proper notch on the trowel according to the adhesive instructions. Make sure you lift up to adhere about an inch behind the replacement piece. If there is excessive adhesive under where you have removed the old piece of vinyl, remember to clear that and clean it with a straight edge before you apply new adhesive. Next, apply weight with a roller. Enroll the vinyl to ensure a nice tight fit. Remove any excess glue coming through the cracks with your fingers and then a wet rag. Next, you will seal the seams using a seam sealer for vinyl flooring. Try to keep foot traffic off of this for several hours. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Andrew Denny with Textures Flooring. For more information, please view www.texturesflooring.com. And special thanks to Mike Machem with Machen's Floor Specialists.